Colas Ireland completed the second ValorCol trial in Emyvale in Monahan in August 2023. The 0 to 32 mm recycled asphalt pavement is graded and sorted into 100% RAP aggregate stockpiles. In the first step, the RAP material is processed, graded, and stockpiled ready for use. The final ValorCol mix consists of 94.5% RAP aggregate mix, includes 1% cement, 4.5% C60B4 ValorCol emulsion, and 1% water for the moisture content. Delivery trucks are subsequently loaded using a conveyor belt system. The mix is then transported directly to site for laying and compaction. This type of cold mix asphalt, named ValorCol by Colas, is an environmentally friendly road maintenance technique, as the RAP material is being recycled and does not need to be heated during the mixing process. As a result, carbon emissions can be reduced by up to 70% when compared to conventional hot mix asphalt binder course. At the job site, the cold mix was laid using a conventional paver by the paving contractor. The auger further mixes the ValorCol and feeds it right out to the edges of the screeds. Laying operatives check the mat depth to ensure that the target depth is being achieved. The target depth can vary from 60 to 100 mm, depending on the pavement design. Independent inspectors also conduct quality control checks to ensure specified target depths are reached. 6-meter wide screeds are used on site, which eliminates the need for any surface joints. Final compaction is achieved by using a heavy pneumatic tired roller. The pneumatic tired roller is a crucial piece of equipment as it ensures that any excess moisture in the mix is forced out, thereby helping the cold mix asphalt to cure and gain in strength. Compaction levels are regularly measured using a nuclear density gauge. ValorCol cold mix asphalt is suitable for use in the base and binder course of the pavement. When used in the binder course, ValorCol is normally sealed using a pad coat of 6 mm chip and then surface dressed using either 10 mm or 14 mm chip racked in with a 6 mm chip. Colas Ireland is proud to be Ireland's market leader in the manufacture and provision of sustainable road maintenance products, services and solutions. We would like to thank everyone at Monaghan County Council, the Department of Transport, TII and TH Moore Limited for their cooperation and partnership in this project. Check out our Go Green with Colas website to find out more about our environmentally friendly products and solutions and how we are helping our customers around the world to reduce their carbon footprints. To find out more about our products and services, please check out our website. If you would like more information, please go to the Contact section of our website where you will find key contact information. Also, check us out on our YouTube channel and LinkedIn page to keep up to date with the most recent news, product developments, technical advice, and multimedia. Thanks for watching.